What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today I have another cooking video I'm going to show you how to make. Now this one is Now what I'm going to show you how to make is actually pretty simple, because this is actually a common campfire recipe that you can do when you camp out in the summer or any time of the year if you live somewhere that gets little to no snow in the winter. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you how to make s'mores. So let's go over what we need. So to make s'mores, you're going to need some graham crackers, you also need some marshmallows, and you're going to need some Hershey's chocolate candy bars, or Reese's peanut butter cups. Depends on your preference. And before we get started, I'm going to let you know, for the very first cooking video that I've ever done in my YouTube channel, I'm going to be showing you 2 methods on how to cook these instead of just one. Because, you know, I typically would either use a blender or use a gas range or a conventional oven. So today I'm going to show you 2 methods. So let's get started. Now, method number 1 typically involves using a conventional fire pit, but because I don't have a fire pit, I'm going to be using a grill. Especially if you don't want to use a fire pit, especially to save you the hassle of installing a fire pit, or if you don't have access to one, is to use a charbroil grill. Now the first thing you're going to do is remove the rack. Be careful, because it'll get your fingers dirty. So I need to set the camera down so I can remove the rack. So now you're going to set your grill to about medium heat, and then you're going to take a lighter. Whoa! And that should do the trick. So now you're going to put your marshmallow on a stick, and you're going to gently position it over the flames, like so. And you need to be patient when you cook these, and you need to be patient. Okay? It's done. No? So yeah, be patient when you try to roast your marshmallows, okay? And matter of fact, I'm going to tell you a little something while I roast this. Is when I was 4, I actually went camping with my family one time, and a piece of burning marshmallow actually burned my forehead. And I was hesitant to roast my marshmallows before eating them, because I was scared of getting burned. But over time, as I got older, I've learned to do it again. This actually looks about done. Now that the marshmallow has been toasted, you're going to take a sheet of graham cracker, like so, assuming I can get it out of the package. Got it. Now you're going to split it into half, like so, and then you're going to place your marshmallow on top. Okay, now I'm going to add a couple pieces of the Hershey's candy bar. This is how the final product should look like when you are making it on a fire pit or over a grill. So I'm going to take a taste test. It came out pretty good. So that's how you make s'mores. That's one way how you make s'mores. Now I'm going to show you method number 2. Now this next method, where you'll need a microwave oven, but this will be an ideal method for people who are agoraphobics, or people who are quarantined, who can't leave their homes because they're quarantined or under house arrest, you know. So here's method number 2. You're going to take another strip of graham cracker, and you're going to put the marshmallow on top of one of the crackers, you're going to set your other marshmallow, set your other piece of chocolate on top, put it on the, like so. Make sure it doesn't fall apart. Okay. Let's see if I can get the dang thing to, see if I can get the darn thing to remain stacked on top. Now, that should do. We're going to heat it up for about 15 seconds or until the marshmallow has melted. So be sure to keep an eye on the marshmallow as it melts, okay? So apparently you only need about 5 seconds, but although I will warn you, the marshmallow does melt easily. So now I'm going to sample this one. This came out pretty good. So anyway, that's how you make s'mores. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.